Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi. Dashi is a foundational Japanese soup stock, essential for many traditional dishes. It provides a deep, savory umami flavor that elevates everything from miso soup to noodle broths. You might be surprised how easy it is to make this versatile ingredient at home, and it truly makes a significant difference in your cooking. First, let's explore kombu dashi, a vegetarian option. For a delicate flavor, use about 10 grams of kombu for every 1,000 milliliters of water. You can soak the kombu for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight in the refrigerator for a more profound taste. Slowly heat the water with the kombu, removing the kelp just as small bubbles appear, before it reaches a full boil. This prevents any bitter or slimy texture. Next up is katsuo dashi, made from dried bonito flakes. This dashi is incredibly quick to prepare. Bring 4 cups of water to a near boil, then add about 2/3 of an ounce of bonito flakes and immediately remove the pot from the heat. Let the flakes steep for just 1 to 2 minutes until they settle at the bottom. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve, being careful not to squeeze the flakes, which can make the dashi cloudy. Finally, we have a waist dashi, the most common and versatile type combining both kombu and bonito. Start by gently heating 4 cups of water with a 4x4-inch piece of kombu, removing it just before boiling. Then, add 1 cup of bonito flakes, bring to a boil and simmer for only 30 seconds. Turn off the heat, let the flakes settle for about 10 minutes and then strain for a perfectly balanced, umami-rich broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.